My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Hello and welcome to Fox Gadget. Get ready because you're about to discover 19 gadgets every man needs in his arsenal. From tactical tools that look like they came straight out of an action movie to tech devices that elevate your style and productivity, this list is packed with ingenuity, power, and pure masculine appeal. Whether you're conquering the office, dominating the gym, or exploring nature, these gadgets are designed to make you stand out and make any challenge easier. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. Iroa Soldering Iron. If you're into repairing, creating, or being ready for any unexpected situation, the Iroa Solder Pro Portable Soldering Iron is a tool that deserves a place in your bag. It runs on butane, heats up in less than 18 seconds, and reaches up to 450 degrees Celsius as a soldering iron or an impressive 1300 degrees Celsius in torch mode. With it, you can solder electronic circuits, shrink plastic tubing, or even make quick repairs to your car, all without the need for cables. Its transparent tank allows you to see the fuel level, and with a single refill, you get up to 40 minutes of continuous work. It also comes with a heat-resistant protective cap with a built-in lighter and a pocket clip so you can always carry it with you. Powerful, compact, and versatile, all for only $42. Night Vision Goggles. Get ready to see the world in the dark as if it were daytime with a gadget that looks like it came from a secret mission, but at a price that won't make you blink. The 8X Digital Zoom Night Vision Goggles are the device that takes nighttime adventure to another level. With a robust design wrapped in non-slip rubber armor that screams professional quality, these 600-gram goggles feature a 3-inch TFT screen that displays crisp, vibrant images instantly. Equipped with a 7-level adjustable 850-nanometer infrared illuminator, they allow you to track targets up to 984 feet away in complete darkness, while the 8X digital zoom and 25mm lens offer impressive clarity for hunting, camping, or surveillance. They are priced at around $70. Couch Console Tray. The original couch console tray is the modular organizer that transforms any sofa into a premium comfort center. With a sleek design in colors such as black, gray, or green, this 1.5 kilogram device, made from durable materials, looks like a high-end product but is a total bargain. Its self-balancing gyroscope cup holder keeps your drinks upright on any surface, from soft cushions to uneven tables, adapting to cups, bottles, or cans with a spill-proof system that ensures zero accidents. The 4 independent modules include a snack holder, an adjustable phone holder, and storage space for remote controls or cables, with a USB-C port to connect an external battery and keep your devices charged. It is priced at $59. Martin MultiTool. For those who enjoy the outdoors, DIY, or simply being prepared, the Martin MultiTool is the companion that never fails. With 14 functions in one, this stainless steel beast combines a hammer, knife, saw, interchangeable screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener, all in a compact, rust-resistant design. Its ergonomic handle with a non-slip texture makes every use comfortable and safe, while the safety lock keeps everything firmly in place. It also includes a handy nylon case for carrying it on your belt or in your backpack without taking up space. Whether you're camping, fishing, repairing something at home, or opening a beer in style, this tool is ready for anything. And best of all, it only costs $20. Cigar Humidor Cabinet. The Cigar Humidor Cabinet is the accessory that combines luxury and functionality for lovers of fine tobacco. Made from high-quality Spanish cedarwood, this 12 by 8 by 6-inch humidor gives off a natural aroma that moisturizes, eliminates odors, and protects your cigars from dryness or mold, while its polished finish with baked wood grain enamel looks like a piece of high-end furniture. The clear tempered glass door, with a magnetic airtight seal and shock-absorbing stainless steel hinges, offers a panoramic view of your cigars and insulates external heat to maintain freshness. It is priced at around $74. Atomic Bear Pen. Imagine a pen that not only writes in style but could also save you in an emergency, looking like a secret agent accessory, but at a price that won't break the bank. The Atomic Bear is the multi-tool gadget that takes EDC to the next level. With an aircraft-grade aluminum body, This 44-gram pen has a polished metallic finish that screams premium quality, but its cost is a bargain. It combines a smooth writing pen with a 2-mode LED flashlight, a tungsten carbide window breaker for emergencies such as escaping from a submerged car, and a multi-tool with bottle opener, screwdriver, and hex key for quick tasks. It comes with 12 batteries for the flashlight and access to an online self-defense class, all backed by a limited lifetime warranty. It is priced at $25. Stepped shelving. Transform your garage or workshop with a gadget that looks like a high-end professional organization system, but without the exorbitant price tag. The stepped tool organizer is the wall mount that takes organization to another level. With a sturdy matte black steel design, this modular shelf looks like a premium accessory, but its cost is a bargain for any DIY enthusiast. Equipped with 4 drill slots, an integrated power strip with 8 outlets, and 1200 joule surge protection. It allows you to charge all your rechargeable tools directly on the rack, eliminating the search for outlets. Its double-layer structure includes a drill bit rack, a side box for screwdrivers or pliers, and 4 hooks for hanging tape measures or wrenches, maximizing space and keeping everything organized. It is priced at $55. Waki Shaver. Looking for a flawless, hassle-free shave? The Waki Shaver is designed for men who want practicality and professional results. Its floating head gently adapts to every contour of the face or head, offering a clean and comfortable shave, whether dry, with foam, or even in the shower thanks to its IPX7 water resistance. With just 1.5 hours of fast charging, you'll get up to 90 minutes of use, enough for 10 to 15 shaves without worrying about running out of battery power. Plus, its LED display lets you know when it's time to recharge. And best of all, it not only shaves, but also includes accessories for trimming nose hair, shaping your beard, or cleaning your face, making it a multifunctional tool for your personal care. All this for $99. Hardell Mini Rotary Tool. If you love DIY or creative crafts, the Hardell Mini Rotary Tool will be your new best friend. With 69 accessories included, this small but powerful cordless tool allows you to sand, cut, polish, or carve with professional precision, all in a compact and quiet format. Its ergonomic, lightweight design with integrated LED light makes working with resin, wood, or metal as comfortable as using a pen, even in low-light areas. In addition, it has 5 adjustable speeds, perfect for beginners or experts who want total control over every detail. It is priced at $26. Caldwells Steel Targets. For the man who enjoys the precision and adrenaline rush of a good shot, Caldwell's AR500 steel targets are the perfect accessory. Designed to withstand thousands of impacts, these hardened steel targets offer durability, reliability, and instant feedback with every shot. Available in different sizes and shapes, with versatile mounting options on T-posts or 2x4s, they adapt to any shooting range. They are priced at $32. Peip Can Cooler. Forget those flimsy neoprene sleeves that barely last half an hour, because this Peip Can Cooler is in a league of its own. It's made of double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel, which means your beer, soda, or whatever you want will stay cold for up to 8 hours. Its 4-in-1 design makes it compatible with 355 milliliter cans and bottles, and if you want, it also works as a cup. Best of all, it doesn't condense, so you won't get wet hands or marks on the table. Plus, its non-slip base keeps it steady on any surface. It costs $16. KE3 Pro Military Watch. The KE3 Pro Military Watch is not just a smartwatch. It is a battle companion designed for men who seek rugged style and extreme functionality. Its military-grade certified zinc alloy case has been tested in extreme conditions, high and low temperatures, dust, low pressure, so nothing stops it. With mechanical side buttons that give it an elegant and robust look, this watch is made to withstand both daily routines and the wildest adventures. In addition, it is waterproof up to 3 ATM, which means you can take it to the pool, the river, or even diving without any problems. But best of all, it is equipped with a built-in LED flashlight with intense light, flash, and SOS modes, perfect for any outdoor situation. And when it comes to orientation, it includes a compass and 6 satellite GPS for fast and accurate navigation on any terrain. It is priced at $100. Gul RC Drift Car. Who said toys are just for kids? The Gul RC Drift Car is the perfect proof that a remote-controlled car can be just as exciting for adults. With its realistic design and four-wheel drive, this little monster reaches speeds of over 35 kilometers per hour, drifting like a champ on asphalt, concrete, or racetracks. Its independent suspension system and shock absorption on both axles give it smooth and stable handling, almost as if you were driving a real miniature car. The 2.4 GHz remote control gives you a range of up to 80 meters. And to top it off, its Angel and Devil Eye headlights feature up to 7 lighting modes that make it look brutal in action. It is priced at $80. Paper Carry Bag. Get ready to take your gym routine to the next level with a gadget that looks like a luxury brand accessory, but at a price that will make you smile. The Paper Carry Magnetic Bag is the workout companion that combines style and functionality without breaking the bank. With a sleek black and gray design measuring just 11 by 6 by 4 inches and weighing 270 grams, this bag looks like a premium product, but its cost is a total bargain. Equipped with powerful neodymium magnets that hold up to 11 pounds, it instantly attaches to treadmills, weight racks, or any metal surface, keeping your essentials organized without interfering with credit cards thanks to its single-sided magnetic structure. It is priced at $50. Antistress Machine Sole. The High-DDC Machine Sole Fidget Slider is the anti-stress toy that combines style and functionality in an irresistible package. Made of high-quality metal with a polished finish that shines like a luxury piece, this 71-gram slider is compact, portable, and feels solid in the hand designed to withstand daily use without losing its charm. Its click and ratchet mechanism produces a crisp, satisfying metallic sound that relieves stress and improves concentration, perfect for adults with ADD, ADHD, or anxiety. It is priced at $25. Black Shark Phone Cooler. Transform your mobile gaming experience with a gadget that looks like a professional setup accessory, but at a price that will make you smile. The Black Shark Phone Cooler 4 is the phone cooler that keeps your device cool and your style on top. With a futuristic design and weighing only 90 grams, this aluminum radiator uses 15-watt semiconductor cooling technology to lower the temperature of your iPhone or Android to 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, thanks to its large contact surface and 7 silent fans operating at less than 40 decibels. Its vertical air duct ensures a comfortable grip without heating your hands, while customizable RGB lighting effects add a vibrant touch that elevates the atmosphere of any game. It is priced at $23. Hosom Mior 3D. The Hosom Mior Ruler Go is the digital tape measure that redefines precision with affordable luxury style. With an elegant 7075 aluminum alloy and polycarbonate body, this 45-gram device looks like a premium accessory, but its price is a bargain. Equipped with a Class 1 laser and plus or minus 1 millimeter accuracy, it measures flat, curved, and irregular surfaces, and even cylinder diameters with ease, displaying results on an LCD screen that switches between horizontal and vertical modes. Its 93 built-in scales, with 52 US standards and 41 metric standards, plus the option to customize infinite scales, make it ideal for architects, designers, or DIY enthusiasts. Connect the Mior Ruler Go via Bluetooth to the Mior app to export measurements to CAD in DXF, PDF, or JPG formats, and customize settings such as left or right-handed modes. It is priced at $55. Nextool EDC MultiTool. Imagine a gadget that looks like a luxury tool straight out of an elite workshop, but fits on your keychain and costs a fraction of what you might imagine. The Nextool Mini Flagship MultiTool is the EDC companion that combines style and functionality on another level. With a stainless steel body and superior hardness, this 68mm, 78-gram gem is corrosion-resistant, sharp, and wear-resistant, ready for any adventure. Its compact, polished design, available in black, silver, or blue, looks like a premium accessory, but its price is a total bargain. Equipped with 10 tools in one, this multi-tool cuts, crimps, and tightens with impressive precision. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or urban emergencies, it folds easily and clips onto your backpack or belt without taking up space. It is priced at $29. Watch Winder. The Double Watch Winder is an automatic winder that combines elegance and functionality on another level. With a sophisticated lacquered wood finish and a transparent acrylic window, This 1.2 kilogram device looks like a premium accessory, but its cost is a bargain for watch lovers. Designed for 2 automatic watches, it has flexible pillows that adapt to any strap size, from men's watches to thinner women's models. Its ultra-quiet 5-decibel Japanese Mabuchi motor ensures such discreet operation that you can place it in your bedroom without disturbing your sleep, and it stops automatically when you open the lid for hassle-free use. And there you have it, 19 gadgets every man needs to master any situation with style and power. From tools that make you feel like an action hero to devices that take your everyday life to the next level, these technological marvels are the perfect companion for any adventure. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more heart-pounding tech.